Today's the 8th of June. I've been walking for a while. This is a stretch that I have found stuff before, but haven't found a whole bunch. Alright, looks like I got me a tool maybe. Oh yeah, it's maybe an ads or a preform. Pretty cool. Yeah, this hole. Kind of rough, but it's a find. Thanks for watching. Same day, looks like I got me a really nice space. Oh, the colors, man, look at the colors. Kind of a fresh break. Man, that'd been pretty. Dovetail. You always gotta try. It's just, wow. Stay tuned, maybe I'll pull a full one out today. I have never seen this little feeder creek get this tall before. It usually runs right down there. It's all the way up to right here. This is as close as I can get to it. This is unbelievable. And it's gonna be on when this thing goes down. Holy crap. That creek is way over there. I don't know how much we got, but we got enough. Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah, that creek is literally like 12 foot deep right there. Straight down. You go canoeing down this thing. This whole field's been washing out. This is awesome. It's gonna take days for this to get down. This is awesome. Wow. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll find me a killer after all this. Thanks for watching. June 11th, after all that rain, it went down pretty quick. I decided to get down the creek as soon as I could. And I literally, this is where I showed y'all right here. It went down a lot. It still needs to clear up quite a bit in the water, but so far I've only checked this little tiny area right here. I've got a big monster crude tip, another crude tip, and that heartbreaker. That been killer. All on the same bar. Hopefully I find me a full one. Maybe I'll just keep it on for a minute. Look around here. Kind of pick around at this bar a bit. There's a lot of rock. I'm ready for it to go down even farther so I can look into it even further. It's not good. There's flint rolling out on this bar. Well, stay tuned. Maybe I'll find me a full one. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? It's flint. Alright, stay tuned. Still June the 13th. I cleaned that up. It was just a little worked piece. But back on that bar right there, there's a snapping turtle right there, but I found maybe a north blade. Walked up through here, didn't find nothing, and now see this little guy. He is super small. I haven't touched him yet. You guys are seeing it as I'm seeing it. That's neat. That is really cool. Haven't found one that small here before. A concave base. Not sure what to call him. A good find. A much needed find. But so far, so good. Haven't been hunting too long. Found that north blade. That was a really kind of a heartbreaker. It was kind of well made, but yeah, that's a day maker right there in itself. It's right here. Nothing. The creek really washed out real good, so maybe I'll find something else. Thanks for watching. Same day. I've been walking for a while. Looks like I got one right down here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh man, that sucks. Base is snapped. Cool find nonetheless. Thanks for watching. This is my cleanup video from a couple field and creek hunts. We had pretty good rain. I was expecting a little bit better, but hey, finds are finds. We'll start off with this one. And it was broke, but the way it looks in Overstreet, it might have been a Godar. That kind of sucked. You see me find that. Then my little sweetie here. I think it's a Turin. I think that's what it looks like most in Overstreet. Really small. Really translucent. Made on a flake on that side, and a lot of work on this side. Then the bar up from that, you see me find this north blade. Tip broke off it. Really translucent too. You find that tip, real nice. Almost whole. Didn't film this tool, it started raining on me. Tip of a tool, workpiece, another tip of a tool, little flake scraper, another little worked piece. There's an adze I found, you see me find that. Haven't found one of those yet this year. This would have been an awesome dovetail. Found that in the field. A couple marbles, flake scraper, worked piece, another odd tooth, another odd work piece. A really heartbreaker tip I found yesterday in the creek. Didn't film it. And then I think, I could be wrong, there's a hole right there, and there was a hole right there. It could have been a pendant, I'm not sure. Kind of a rough sandstony material. I'm not sure on that kind of stuff, but I know there was 2 holes in it at one time. It could have been a pendant, it could not have been. Still, I picked it up just because it could be. That's all I found this week. Thanks for watching, guys.